Welcome back to cryptogains for another video. In this video, I want to show you the Bitcoin price chart, show you some clean analysis that you can take with you on your journey and decide how you feel about this market and what's going on. If it sounded interesting, drop that like, give me a subscribe. Take a look at this. Actually, before I dive into this, I want to show you a previous video that I made just to sort of show you where we were in this chart. Because this one here, let me just bring this down. This particular one, actually, let me make this silence it or just mute it. This particular chart here, the RCI 3 lines, which again, you know, came from Crypto Crew. Big up to you if you're watching. This is a powerful chart, and I just want to show you where we are, update you on this, because there's some exciting things that could come for Bitcoin. This is not financial advice. Please do your further research before you invest your money. If you saw this video, I did this video 1 month ago. 1 month ago, I showed you this video, and again, you can see in the video RCI 3 lines. I'm not going to play it. I just wanted to show you a quick, sort of like a snapshot of how it looked before, back then. And you can see we were coming up to this green. Let me see if I can make it bigger. We were coming up to this green line where I said to you, if this red line comes above this green line and hovers above this white dotted line, we might see some fireworks for Bitcoin in the future to come. Because, you know, when you look at the past, you can see here, look, the price action as it goes up, this red line breaks the green line and it hovers above this dotted line for a period of time. So, and then I've got, you know, a few smiley faces and things and whatnot. I'll explain that a bit more in a second. Let's quickly go over to the chart. So this is where we are right now, currently today. We've seen price movement move up for Bitcoin. We've seen, and you can see right here, right? We've seen this red line come above the green line. I also said to you, pay attention to where the green line and red line cross. Because depending on where the green line and the red line cross, we want to see what this blue line is doing. If you look in the past, and this represents the smiley faces and the sad faces, right? When this red line came up, it crossed the blue line, then it crossed the green line shortly after. Notice that when this cross happened with the red and the green in the past, you know, just here, look at where the blue line was. And I think I put it at a price of, or just a number of 32. So meaning this red line crossed the green line here. If I come down a bit, this blue line was right down here at a number of 32. And what I was trying to say is that this is strong because, you know, the lower this blue line gets, when this red line is crossing the green line, the more of a rally we could possibly get in the future. And we saw this here, look, because it means it took longer for this blue line to come down, curve around, and come back up again until it crossed the green line and crossed the red line. Because notice, when this blue line starts to come up again and it crosses the red line, that sort of marks the top. Right, and we've seen this a few times. You can see it here. Well, actually, shortly after this cross of the red and the green, it marked the top round about here. As you can see, this blue line is still coming down. We haven't even seen it curve around and come back up yet. So where will the top be? Well, maybe I'll bring another video on that as time comes on. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, you know, so you can keep up to date with this. I'm going to keep showing you this. People need to see clearly where we are in the market. Is now a good time to be buying? Where's the top going to be? All of these things you need to see. And I highly recommend you check my last video I did. I said I'm dead effing serious when I tell you this. Check it out. It's a funny video. Check it out. Well, I thought it was funny. So taking a look at this, this looks good. You know, if we see this line now, this red line, remain above these dotted lines and come across and stay up here for a long period of time, I would expect the Bitcoin price to do something like this, like what it did in the past, where we just see price action just go up and up and up. I'm going to make this line yellow, my favorite color for some reason. And yeah, if we can see that, then, you know, that's going to be phenomenal for Bitcoin's price. Great for everyone that's getting in on crypto because, you know, markets will start to rise and things like that. Take a look at this. So when the red line came up and crossed the green line, the blue line was down here at 32. Where are we right now? Well, I said to you in the last video, this red line is going to cross the green line. As that cross happens, where are we? And if we come down a bit, the blue line was at an 11. And I've still got it marked from the last video. We're at an 11 here, which means this is good. This is a good sign. It means there could be a strong rally once Bitcoin breaks above this yellow line up here and holds a support above it. We want to start seeing Bitcoin right here come above this yellow line and start printing new monthly candles above. This is the monthly time frame, so all of the price action takes a month. So by come, where are we now? June, July, August, September. By come August, September, we should have a good clean insight as to what's going to happen with Bitcoin. If it remains below this, which I highly doubt it will, then we'll come back to it and test it and see what's going to happen. Because as you can see right now, there is a slight bit of rejection. It's testing this line. Can it break above it? Is it going to fall below it? Are we going to see price action come back down? I don't know. I don't think we are. According to this, it looks like we might get some strong price movement to the upside over the next coming months. And I think by come August, September, we may see candles above this yellow line. So I will bring an update video on that. And then obviously we can follow this on our journey, because this is going to guide us and tell us exactly where we should be taking profits. But I think now's a good time to be buying. That is not financial advice. You want to buy here. You see these candles here? I think we are on this breakout candle where we might start seeing new candles come above. But you want to be buying here, not right at the top here where it's peaking out. And again, this, like these RCI 3 lines, is going to guide us, because when this blue line comes right up again, it crosses the green, that's going to be my amber alert. And when it comes up and crosses this red line, that's going to be the top. It's going to peak out. That's when I'm selling everything, making more millions than what I've already made. And so will you guys. If you don't want to miss this, become a Patreon. Link is in the info section. Click it. They are seeing these videos first. It's powerful videos that can guide you on your crypto journey. You know what you're doing. You can see it with your eyes. It's very clean, very easy to follow. And yeah, I'm just going to keep dropping this to you so you can follow on your journey. The link is in the info section. Click it. I recommend my exclusive VIP partner tier, this one here. This is my most popular tier that most people are going for. Unlocks all my posts. You won't miss any post. You can see what I'm buying, selling, staking, doing analysis, everything. It unlocks the whole lot. We've got some Glassnode stuff over here as well, which is deep depth analysis on crypto, Bitcoin, and everything else. And they're going to see some charts as you know prices are going up. And if you can afford it, go for my next tier above, my CEO tier. The CEO tier gives you access to my VIP Telegram group. Over there, I talk to them about things way before I buy, way before I sell. There is big money in this group. They know how to make money, and they're sharing great projects all the time. Don't miss out. Make sure you come over. Guys, thank you for watching. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.